I'm Zeke. I'm a final year medical student here in Tamworth. When it was time for us to choose our placement locations, I'd heard really good things about Tamworth. Having kids and a family already meant that we wanted to make sure that we had everything that the kids needed and that we needed to be happy, and Tamworth had everything. It was quite a welcoming community, and that was the difference we noticed at first.
Hi, my name's Lauren. I spent my 5th year in Tamworth, New South Wales. Once I graduated from medicine, I decided that Tamworth was the right place for me to stay. There's lots of nice places to visit nearby, bushwalks, beautiful areas to explore, so it was a really nice environment.
When you compare it to urban locations, you are essentially the only student on a team, and the exposure you get as a student is second to none really. So first-hand dealing with patients, and that I think is one of the most valuable things you can have as a student.
I feel that I have been able to be hands-on in a range of situations that some of my metropolitan counterparts don't usually get to see so early on in their career. And very importantly, I've had great mentors, great staff, great colleagues that have been able to support me along the way.
Having a family is a massive commitment, but particularly for me, it's more so about entertaining the kids. Lots of hiking trails, you never run out of things to do. If you're on the fence about it, just do it. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So much so that this is our home now.
I've only grown from this experience, and I don't plan on leaving anytime soon.